Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and happy Vlogmas. I hope you guys are doing great so far. I hope you guys like my little series, even though it's only one video that I posted so far for Vlogmas, but I'm proud of myself because I'm getting somewhere. Y'all, I'm like stressing out because Mother Nature decided to come, knock on my door this morning. TMI, but I'm a little crampy. But I'm trying to keep this smile on my face all day because we don't got the time for this. And yeah, it is currently afternoon. I just woke up because I went to sleep late once again, so my face is extremely swollen like always. I hate it. But yeah, today is going to be we're gonna make every day productive, but today I definitely want to get my feet done. I can honestly do them myself. I just don't have the patience, especially bending down and all this extra stuff. So I think I'm going to do that. I want to do my eyebrows, but I'm kind of scared because, they don't be knowing what they're doing in there. So I'll probably wait. I don't know. But, yeah, so I'm going to go get my feet done. I just feel like I should do my feet myself, being that I'm gonna do my nails myself, but it's all right. Like I said, I don't have the patience for that, so I'm gonna go get me an iced coffee right now, and then we're gonna head to the nail salon. So yeah, I'll be back, y'all. I got my iced coffee.
You don't have to pee, do you? No. You swear?
I swear. How come you're not going?
Because I don't have to go. Only you and my grandfather go every 30 seconds. Let's hurry it up, all right? I'm keeping you company. Hi. What's your name? I'll write it on the wall. Mind your business. Let's go. I've really never seen any problems with this.
Hey you guys, happy Sunday. I know I'm looking a little crazy with this face mask on, but let's just disregard that. So I finished my nails. I finished them late last night, and actually yesterday I put a poll up on Instagram asking them what I should do, if I should do some Christmas inspired nails or some regular nails, and of course the poll came back 100% Christmas nails, and I was hoping they said the other, but yeah. So this is what they came out. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I feel like it has to grow on me. I don't know what it is. I'm just not really feeling it. I don't know what it is. I mean, I feel like it has its moments, but they're so Christmassy, and I know that's the point, but I just don't know. I'm just not feeling it. I think I just can't wait to do my New Year's set because, y'all, I'm finna kill that. But anyway, it's Sunday. I think it's like about 5 o'clock right now. I'm about to start a late Sunday dinner. I wasn't really hungry, but then I just had a craving for some lamb chops, and I had some in my freezer, so that's what I'm finna do. So let's get this started. I'm about to show you guys. I actually do all my cooking videos and stuff like on TikTok also. So I have my little setup and stuff for TikTok, so you guys can follow me on TikTok because I'm so addicted to TikTok. Like, don't judge me. It's so bomb. But anyway. So here I have my lamb chops just sitting in some lemon water. I have some shrimp, some asparagus, and I'm also gonna make some mashed potatoes with the rosemary and, little seasonings and stuff like that. So I'm gonna set you guys up and let's get this started. Yeah.
Get a Amazon job. I'm like, yes, the fuck. I had a sitter. He said, you go get a job. Go get an Amazon job.
So the potatoes are almost done. I don't want them too soft because I'm gonna keep some of the skin on. This is pretty well. I seasoned the shrimp already. And here we go. So yeah, we're getting somewhere. So you guys, I've been slacking because I just got some company, but this is what the lamb chops look like so far. I still have the potatoes in here because I don't want to make those yet. And I just made a little cream sauce for the topping. And I have the asparagus inside of the oven. So we're getting somewhere, you guys. I am so tired. So you guys, this is the final results. They look so good, but I'm definitely not eating this tonight. I don't have an appetite at all. This is gonna be tomorrow's dinner. But yeah, I had to do a cute little presentation because I had to do some content for my Instagram and my TikTok. I will leave the links down below. You guys, ooh, this is about to be so fire. So fire. Beautiful.